In 2019, Marcus Johnson was sitting in a McDonald's parking lot, not to eat, but because it was the only place with free Wi-Fi. His phone bill was 2 months overdue, his bank account had $11.43 in it, and he had just been laid off from the warehouse job he'd held for 6 years. He was 31 years old, and he had nothing. But here's the twist. 18 months later, Marcus was making over $8,000 a month from his phone. No investors, no loans, no rich uncle. This is his story, and more importantly, this is your blueprint. Marcus grew up in Akron, Ohio. Middle-class family, decent grades, nothing extraordinary. He did what society told him to do: go to school, get a job, work hard, be loyal. And for a while, it worked. Until the day it didn't. March 14th, 2019. His manager called him into the office. "We're automating your department. Your last day is Friday." Just like that, 6 years, gone. He applied everywhere: Amazon, UPS, the local grocery store. Rejection after rejection. 3 months passed, his savings dried up, his girlfriend left, his landlord sent a notice. And one cold Tuesday night, sitting in that McDonald's parking lot, scrolling through his phone, feeling completely invisible, he typed something into Google that changed everything. How to make money with no money. Now, you've probably searched that too. You've probably gotten the same garbage results. Surveys that pay 30 cents, apps that promise the world and deliver nothing. But Marcus kept digging, and he found something real. He stumbled onto a concept called service arbitrage. Here's what that means in plain English. You find people who need a service done. You find someone who can do it cheaper than the market rate. You sit in the middle, you take a cut. No skill required, no money required, just hustle and a phone. His first niche? Lawn care. He went on Facebook Marketplace and Nextdoor, both free, and posted a simple ad. Lawn mowing, $40. Fast, reliable, local. He got a message within 2 hours. Here's the genius part. Marcus didn't own a lawnmower. He didn't even own a car. He called a local teenager named Danny who mowed lawns on weekends. Danny charged $25 per yard. Marcus charged the customer $40. Marcus pocketed $15 for making 2 phone calls. That first week, he booked 11 yards. That's $165 from nothing. But Marcus didn't stop there. He reinvested that $165 not into a lawnmower, but into learning. He bought a $27 online course on freelance copywriting, spent 3 weeks practicing every single night. Then he went on Craigslist, Fiverr, and cold emailed local businesses. His pitch was simple. I'll write your website copy for $150. If you don't love it, you don't pay. His first client said yes in 48 hours, then 2 more, then 5. By month 3, Marcus was making $1,200 a month. 6 months in, $3,500. And at the 18-month mark, $8,400 in a single month, all from a parking lot, an $11 bank account, and a decision. Now, I'm not telling you Marcus's story so you can copy his exact path. I'm telling you because buried inside his journey are 4 principles that work for anyone, whether you're broke, in debt, or just stuck. Lesson 1. Sell before you own. Marcus never bought a lawnmower. He sold the service first, then figured out the delivery. Stop waiting until you have everything to start. You will never have everything. Lesson 2. Your broke time is your learning time. Every night in that McDonald's parking lot, Marcus was watching YouTube videos, reading free blog posts, consuming knowledge like it was oxygen. Free resources exist everywhere: YouTube, Reddit, public libraries. The gap between where you are and where you want to be is filled with information that is completely 100% free. Lesson 3. Start embarrassingly small. $15 per lawn. That's where it started. Not a business plan, not a pitch deck, not a perfect logo. $15 and a phone call. Most people are waiting for the perfect moment to start something big. Marcus started something small and let it grow big. One skill changes everything. Copywriting was Marcus's turning point. Your skill doesn't have to be copywriting. It could be graphic design, video editing, social media management, web design, bookkeeping, virtual assistants. All learnable for free or nearly free, all in massive demand right now. Pick one, go deep, get paid. Here's the truth nobody tells you about money. It's not about how much you have, it's about what you're willing to learn and do with what's available. Marcus didn't have capital. He had courage to try something small. He had consistency to show up every night, and he had clarity. He stopped waiting to be rescued and decided to rescue himself. If you're watching this right now, maybe you're between jobs, maybe your account is low, maybe you're just tired of feeling stuck. I want you to hear this clearly. Your situation is not your destination. The same phone you're holding right now, the same one Marcus used in that parking lot, is a tool that has made ordinary people extraordinary money. The only question is, what are you going to do with it? If this story hit different, share it with someone who needs it. Drop a comment below. What's the one skill you're going to learn first? I read every single one, and I'll see you in the next video.